This 230,000 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle hides a monster under the hood, a frame-off restored legend with a 454 big block V8 built to steal every spotlight. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at a true American muscle masterpiece, a 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle that represents the perfect combination of classic design, brutal horsepower, and world-class restoration craftsmanship. This isn't just another vintage muscle car. This is a frame-off, rotisserie-restored icon built to deliver the feeling of a legendary era while offering the quality and reliability expected from a modern collector machine. The 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle sits among the most respected names in the history of American performance cars. It was a time when muscle cars were created with one goal: to deliver unforgettable power and an aggressive driving experience. Decades later, this Chevelle continues that legacy, but with a level of refinement and attention to detail that takes it far beyond what rolled off the factory floor. Priced at an impressive $230,000, this example represents the highest level of restoration and craftsmanship. Every detail has been carefully considered, from the restored chassis underneath to the flawless exterior presentation. The phrase "frame off, rotisserie restored" is not just a marketing term. It represents a complete transformation where the body is removed from the frame, allowing every component to be inspected, rebuilt, finished, and perfected. The result is a Chevelle that looks like a time capsule but performs like a carefully engineered performance machine. Under the hood is the heart of this legend, a powerful GM 454 cubic inch big block V8 engine. The 454 big block is one of Chevrolet's most famous engines, known for producing massive torque and delivering the deep, unmistakable sound that defines classic American muscle. The moment this engine comes to life, it announces the arrival of something special. The combination of big block power and the aggressive styling of the 1970 Chevelle creates an experience that connects modern enthusiasts with the golden age of horsepower. The engine bay reflects the same level of dedication as the rest of the vehicle, showcasing a clean, detailed presentation worthy of a premium collector car. Power is delivered through a 700 R4 automatic transmission, adding modern drivability to this classic muscle machine. While traditional muscle cars were famous for their raw performance, this Chevelle benefits from upgraded engineering that makes it more enjoyable on today's roads. The overdrive capability allows for smoother highway cruising while maintaining the excitement of a powerful V8 beneath the hood. Supporting the performance is a legendary 12-bolt rear axle, one of Chevrolet's most respected components. Known for strength and durability, the 12-bolt rear end was designed to handle serious horsepower and aggressive driving. Combined with the 454 big block, it creates a drivetrain built for both confidence and excitement. But this Chevelle isn't only about power. It also delivers a more comfortable driving experience thanks to features like power steering and power brakes. These upgrades make the car easier to control and more enjoyable during longer drives. Instead of feeling like a difficult-to-manage vintage machine, this restored Chevelle offers a balance between classic muscle character and modern comfort. The design of the 1970 Chevelle remains one of the most recognizable shapes in automotive history. Its long hood, muscular stance, wide proportions, and unmistakable presence create a silhouette that instantly captures attention. Even standing still, this car looks fast. Every curve reflects the attitude of the muscle car era. It represents a time when automotive design was bold, confident, and built around emotion. The Chevelle was never designed to blend in, and this restored example continues that tradition with a premium finish and show quality appearance. Inside, the experience continues with a cabin that celebrates the original spirit of the Chevelle while matching the quality expected from a $230,000 collector vehicle. The interior provides the perfect environment to enjoy the combination of vintage style and upgraded craftsmanship. Owning a car like this is about more than transportation. It's about owning a piece of American automotive history. The 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle represents passion, engineering, and the dedication required to preserve an automotive legend. A frame-off restoration requires countless hours of work, precision, and commitment. Every bolt, panel, mechanical component, and finishing detail contributes to creating a vehicle that can be appreciated by collectors, enthusiasts, and anyone who understands the importance of classic muscle cars. The 454 big block V8 delivers the power. The 700R4 transmission brings modern usability. The 12-bolt rear end provides strength. The power steering and power brakes add comfort. Together, these elements create a Chevelle that respects its heritage while embracing the expectations of today's collector market. The 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle is more than a classic car. It is a symbol of an unforgettable era, rebuilt and restored to continue making history. With a $230,000 value and a legendary big block heart, this machine represents the ultimate expression of American muscle. For collectors searching for a vehicle that combines investment potential, incredible craftsmanship, and pure driving emotion, this Chevelle stands as a perfect example of why these cars remain timeless. This is not just a restoration, this is a reborn legend.